you just failed it. That's so sad. I pray to God just to give you more strength. So these people, 90% of the people lies in this category. And these people, they don't give a shit about your failure. They don't worry about anything in your life. They think, you just think that they listen to you. They just pretend that they care for you. But the truth is, they don't. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contra Podcast. You are listening to Constant Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want. These are nothing but you practice, you will become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. Hey there, Sanjay here. People just want to play the blame game in their life. I get lots of DMs and lots of when I just talk to people, I get this answer a lot. Why didn't you start one thing that you always wanted? I have seen many people who are really a great artist who don't even start a painting page. I have seen many people who are good at marketing who don't even start a digital marketing page. I have seen many people who are a great cook but don't even start a hotel. And I have seen many people who are really good at business but don't even start their own startup. I asked them this question and they just play the blame game. Something like I don't have support, or I'm a female, I'm a male, I'm a transgender, I'm a victim, and I have been to jail, I'm a smoker, and I'm an alcoholic, and all that. All that is fine, but nobody cares about it. People just look at the end goal. That is when people respect you. If you just think about this disadvantages that you have plenty of advantages. You need to think about that too. You just think about the one disadvantage, one tiny little hole, one tiny black little hole in your entire life, and you forget the entire picture which you are good at in your life. That is what happening in your life, and that is the only reason why you didn't start. But people really don't care. There are two kinds of people in this entire world, in your circle, who support you. One person, when you just play the blame game, when you just become a loser. Loser in the sense, I'm telling you this from the first episode. Loser is nothing but one who quits. If you just fail, that is not a loser. You can just try again, you can win it. But if you just quit, you're a loser. So when you just lose, there are two kinds of people who just listen to you. First people, these people, they just listen to you saying that, man, you just failed it. That's so sad. I pray to God just to give you more strength. So these people, 90% of the people lies in this category. And these people, they don't give a shit about your failure. They don't worry about anything in your life. They think, you just think that they listen to you. They just pretend that they care for you. But the truth is, they don't. That is how people are. And they feel like, I'll help you out. For sure, I'll help you out. I pray to God that you become more strong to get out of this particular reason. And I feel so pity for you. These people are 90% of people who don't give a shit about your own life or your own problem. So the next kind of people are the 10% of people in your life. These people are really good people, and they're not your enemy. They are your loser friends. Why loser friends? In the sense, they just support you no matter whatever you do. They just support you saying that even if you are going wrong, they don't even worry about it. They just support you saying that it's okay. Just this one thing. It's okay. The next time you'll win. The next time you will win. It's okay to quit. It's okay. It's fine. You are doing great. You have done so many things, but you have lost this. But it's okay. The truth is, both of these people aren't living your life. You need to live your life. You need to take 100% accountability in your life, and you need to take responsibility in your life so that you can live your life rather than worrying about someone else, rather than worrying about someone else's opinion, and rather than just looking at people and saying that, man, this was my dream, but he is living my dream life. So think about this, guys. It's your life. Stop playing the blame game. Everybody has their own reason, but the world doesn't even care about those reasons. Everybody has a weaker point. You're just looking at this one small black dot in your entire life. You have a beautiful life in front of you. You're just ignoring it and concentrating on that one black dot. Get over it, and you can win in your life. I'll meet you guys at the top. Thank you. Bye bye.